Hi, and welcome to this exciting course on practical deep learning with Keras and Python. I'm Dr. Noman, and I'll be your instructor for this course. I have a PhD in computer science and a postdoc in machine learning for security and privacy from Max Planck Institute for Software Systems, one of the world's leading research institutes. I have more than 15 years of teaching experience and about 2 decades of programming experience. When I started with machine learning, back when it wasn't even a buzzword, it was extremely difficult to work with. Tool support was minimal, and you had to code and optimize everything yourself. Fast forward a decade, and now we have some really powerful industry standard tools by the likes of Google and Microsoft that make machine learning a breeze. Of these, Keras is by far the easiest one to get started with. It was developed independently by a Google engineer, but since then, it has been adopted by Google as the official front end to TensorFlow. Keras allows you to use many different backends besides TensorFlow. So if you work with Keras, you can switch easily to Theano, CNTK, MX, and many others. It can even help you work with any future backends that might show potential, since Keras will add support to them. The problem, though, is that when most people study machine learning, they are taught a lot of theory and little attention is paid to practical application of these concepts. So even after hours of machine learning and deep learning study, people can't seem to be able to apply these concepts to solve their problems. In this course, we take a radically different approach. We learn everything through code so that you can immediately see how things are applied. There are two types of students that can benefit from this course. One, if you have had some exposure to machine learning and possibly deep learning, but just aren't comfortable with applying the concepts in the real world. Advanced, groundbreaking deep learning models seem mystical. If so, this course is for you. Second, if you are a complete newbie to machine learning but want to figure out how to learn it and then apply it without going through page loads of math. If so, this course is for you. As soon as this course starts, we'll immediately get to coding a machine learning example and only come to the theory when it's necessary. Then, after only the bare essential of theory, we will go back to Keras and cover some essential concepts to get you started. This will include installation of Keras on both Windows and Mac or Linux, and it will get you up to speed with the best practices. We will code both the basic sequential model of Keras and the functional API. This latter part will enable you to understand and implement even the most advanced of deep learning models, all with a few lines of code. These include the extremely powerful residual connections and inception modules, among others. Remember, my plan through this course is not to cover all aspects of machine learning or deep learning. I'm trying to get you a deeper feeling of why things work the way they work. Once you understand the contents of this course, you will be in a position to fast track through any material. And I'll keep updating this course so that we have a further understanding of the latest models. All through the course, I will share my experience of both learning and later teaching machine learning and guide you through the common stumbling blocks that waste a lot of time for people who are just getting started. Oh, and I've set up a real time chat system for helping you get started. You will find a link to this free system within the course, which will allow you to chat with me and your fellow students so that you can learn quickly and possibly even collaborate on exciting projects with others. At the end of this course, you will get a certificate of completion that you can use to prove that you have a deeper understanding of this powerful tool. And since this course comes with a no questions asked 30-day money back guarantee, you've got nothing to lose. So enroll now, and I'll see you on the inside.